Bro, you okay?
Battery don't die, man.
Wig don't shift.
Hey, they affect.
Come down, big stones, my guy.
You can't.
1.5 equals 2, my friend.
Hiya! Life hacks!
You people listen fast.
Mangacha is dead!
And the wig has shifted, look!
Stop shaking
Sasa, calm down and pick stones.
4 divided by 2, it's still 2, my guy.
Ash! Yo! Potato life boss!
It's affecting me, man.
Calm down, big stone! That's you don't die! Wig don't shift! You people!
No, we're never making it. It's over. Relax. You're in Nairobi's finest cinema on wheels.
Conductor, shonge tena.
Life check.
But you're not missing this beat. Listen. Maticha twende.
2 minutes out, you know.
Bro, we're so late. If we miss this class, I'm done.
Relax, it's just Nairobi traffic.
Wait, lecture on!
Hey! Conductor, where is this place? Is it Endebess or what?
Wait, which route is this? It's affecting me badly. It's suffocating me like hot weather.
Madam, relax. It's still Route 46. We haven't even reached West.
You friend one that your wig don't shift like Kenya economy where they fall down.
Shut up, Jare. You be who? I know one peace, so I want problems always, every day.
You pay your fare now. No long story. This is Nairobi, no be Eldoret. If you don't get money, come down and go pick stones for road.
Chill, small boss.
I go pay the M-Pesa sharp. Just give me your number. 07.
Wait.
Hey, battery don't die. What you go do now?
Hey, see what
My
happened?
friend, battery no be legal tender. Come down.
Just another calm matatu ride. Wait for it.
Oh my child, my wig!
Everyone bouncing like it's a jumping castle. Look at his face. Pure panic. Life hack, hold your chai tight or just get a thermos with a lid.
Bro, this matatu doesn't have change. I only have a 500 bob note.
Hey, conductor, where is this place? Not Endebess or what? Wait, which route is this? It's affecting me, it's suffocating me.
Chill, mama. CBD route, relax.
Change. Bro, hii mataina change. Mimi niko na 500 bob pekee. Hey, conductor, where is this? Wait, which route is this? It's affecting me. It's suffocating me.
Bro, just tell him the number. He looks mad.
4 divided by 2?
No, that's already
Boss, umetoa change aje? Where's my fare?
Just give him the donut.
Here, take this. Kuna watu. Valid, fare accepted.
Donut